Hello students, good morning. Welcome back to your English class. Today we will learn nouns again as we did earlier. As for revision, what we have learnt about nouns are the name of person, place, animal and things. So we will keep this in mind that this is the definition of noun. Examples: person, like name of person, Hari, Meena, Ronak, Rahul, Sita. These are the names of person. Place, temple, school, Agra, Delhi, Kolkata, London, India. Okay. Animal like dog, cat, zebra, tortoise, horse, etc. And at last, things: table, chair, pen, bat, bottle. These are the things. Clear? So, and we have already learnt the types of noun. On that basis, we will start your book Nouns. Here is a chapter Nouns. Let us start. Draw the picture of the nouns in the space below. Now some names has been written here: ball, kite and boat. So you just draw the picture in your notebooks. Okay. Learning text, and when later on when you will get the books, you cut the picture from there and paste here only. Okay, so be prepared for your work. Learning text. Look at these pictures and read the following sentences. Yash is jumping. Yash is jumping. Yash, person. The dog is barking. Animal. This is a temple. Place. This is a book. Thing. Okay. Yash, dog, temple and book are naming words because these are giving name to the things or the person or the animal that mentioned here. So nouns, as I have already mentioned, nouns are the naming words. Naming words are called nouns. Hence we can say naming words are called nouns. Exercise. First exercise, question A. Fill up the blanks with the appropriate nouns from the blackboard. Fill up the blanks with the appropriate nouns from the blackboard. This blackboard means here is a table which colored, background colored in black is blackboard. Okay. The blank gives us wool. My blank is closed today. The blank are twinkling in the sky. My favorite game is blank. The blank flows under the bridge. My favorite fruit is the blank. I have a pet blank. A goldsmith makes blank. Who is a goldsmith? Goldsmith is a person used to make gold ornaments. Chunmun is my blank. There are many patients in the blank. I hope that many of the answers are clear to you without even reading the hints from the board. But still now I am going to read the hints. Stars, friend, orange, river, school, sheep, hospital, hockey, ornaments, cat. The blank gives us wool. It's sheep. My blank is closed today. School. The blank are twinkling in the sky. What twinkles in the sky? It's stars. Here it is mentioned in the table on first. First one is in the table is stars. So first one will come in third line. My favorite game is hockey. The blank flows under the bridge. What flows? It's river. My favorite fruit is the blank. What is the fruit? Here, orange. Well, as per the table it's orange, but my favorite fruit is kiwi. So what is your favorite fruit? Okay. I have a pet blank. It means here what you will mention? I have a pet. It can be a cat. Yes or no? Okay. Chunmon is my, no, I missed one. A goldsmith makes ornaments. A goldsmith makes ornaments. Chunmun is my friend. There are many patients in the hospital. There are many patients in the hospital. Okay, so this exercise we have done. This is exercise 1. Now encircle the words that are not noun. I have enlarged this. Encircle the words that are not nouns. First of all, we will do in line 1. X, ant, pigeon, doll, fill. See, what you have to do? You have to encircle that are not nouns. So, you write the answers in your notebooks by encircling. Question 1. X is an object, ant is an animal, pigeon is a word, doll is a toy, fill is a verb. So here answer is fill. Second, sheep, moon, stars, down, girl. Sheep is an animal, moon is in the sky, is a name, okay, of satellite. Star, you know that star is a noun. Down and girl. Girl is noun. So down. Down is the answer here. Shirt, third one. We will start third one. Shirt, jump, trouser, jeans, sweater. Okay. Shirt, jump, trouser, jeans, sweater. So I think 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 words are here. Out of 5, 4 are your attire, your dress. Okay. And 1 is jump, which is verb. So answer is jump here. Next 4 number. Rabbit, grace, grass, egg, ball. Rabbit, grass, egg, ball are nouns, and graze is verb. So here graze is the answer. Number 5, it's coat, school, water, fight, pen. Again, coat you wear is a dress, school is a place, water again is something that is having name, you can have it, and pen is also noun. So fight means when you fight, it's verb. Okay, so answer is fight. We are on 6th. Bag, class, army, cut, star. Star is again mentioned here. Class, army, bag, noun. Answer is cut. Okay. Next is 7th. 7th is dance, singer, dancer, dress, sari. See, dance. Here it is noun or not. You will tell me. Singer is a person who sings song. Dancer is a person who dance. Dress we wear. And sari is again a dress or a type of dress that your mama used to wear. So there is a word that is showing activity, and the word is dance. Okay, so answer is dance. Number 8, sky, doll, carpet, book, go. Again, sky, doll, carpet, book, go. I thought you have got the answer. Yes, I said I thought. It means you know the answer. Sky, name, doll, toy, carpet, object, book, object or thing. Go is verb here. So answer is go. Okay, we did exercise A and exercise B. Now we will come to the next topic, kinds of noun. Before beginning this, first of all you write the answer in your notebooks and show it to me by sending the clicks of your work. For the kinds of noun, resume to the next video. Thank you.